In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gallery in a Canva website. This is a quick, clean method that's perfect for showcasing photos, product shots, or a portfolio without any complicated setup. First, head to Canva and open your website project. If you have multiple pages, make sure you're on the page where you want the gallery to live. Taking a moment to orient yourself now helps everything flow smoothly later. Next, scroll to the exact spot where you want the gallery to appear. Click the Add Section button to create a dedicated space for your images. Sections keep your layout tidy and make it easier for your gallery to look consistent across devices. If you change your mind about its position, you can always move the section up or down later. Now it's time to bring in your photos. On the left panel, click Uploads, then select Upload Files. Choose the images from your computer or device. Try to use files that are clear and consistent in style. Similar orientations and aspect ratios help your grid feel balanced, and reasonably sized files keep your site loading fast. With your images uploaded, drag them straight onto the new section. Place them in a grid layout by arranging them into even rows and columns. You can reorder images simply by dragging them around until the flow feels right. Think about visual rhythm. Alternate close-up and wide shots, or group similar colors to create a cohesive look. To polish the layout, select the images you want to adjust. You can select multiple images at once and resize them evenly by dragging a corner handle while keeping an eye on their relative size. Once they're roughly where you want them, use Position, then choose Tidy Up. This command aligns and distributes the images so everything lines up neatly, giving your gallery a professional finish. If a thumbnail still feels a touch off, nudge it into place and repeat Tidy Up for perfect spacing. When you're happy with how it looks, it's time to go live. Click Publish Website. Canva will update your site, and your new gallery will appear right where you placed it. If something doesn't look the way you expected, return to your design, make quick adjustments, and publish again. Small tweaks can make a big difference in how polished the page feels. And that's it. The simplest way to add a gallery in a Canva website. With just a few uploads, drags, and a quick tidy up, you've created a clean, organized showcase that's easy to maintain and great to look at.